What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. So if you guys been keeping up with the lives this week, we've been working on the Nissan Laurel by Fujimi, and we're getting close to the point where we're now going to polish, and we're almost there to the finish line. I just want to quickly show you some of the products that I'll be using later to polish the car. Let's go right ahead and take a look at this real quick. So right in front of us, we have the Meguiar's Scratch X Ultimate Compound Ultimate Polish. We're also going to be using the Dremel Micro by Dremel. And I do have a mix of different polishing pads. Some, I've purchased online through websites, Amazon, Zoom On, just various places. So it's good to have options. This is the Nissan Laurel here. Pretty much going to be focusing on the roof, the hood, a section of the trunk, and these smaller areas here, I might not use the full wheel. These are pretty big. I mean, I could always use the tinier ones. Like I mentioned, having the option is good. Different sizes, that's where it comes in handy. But I might just do that by hand. I mean, I'm going to most likely apply the compound with a Q-tip. But from that, I'll get a little microfiber rag that I have. This little special one that I have from Hasegawa to use and take care of that right there. But this car is pretty much close to completion right there. Very happy so far in the direction and everything, how everything's been headed. Not a lot of hiccups with it. But you never know. If they happen, we'll sort through them, So yeah, I'm excited for this one here. Keep you guys posted, and we'll be going live, throughout the week. So if you want to tune in on that, just, subscribe, set off the notifications, all that good stuff. So I'll see you guys on the next one. All right. Peace out. Later.